It's been a while since I've done this. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Mason Herman, and today we are at my grandma's house in Duluth, Minnesota.
Okay, there you go. One more. Alright, good. On down. That good? That's where I was going to go. Hot!
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So what day is it today?
It is Easter Sunday.
Easter Sunday.
And it's also
Easter Sunday. Passover.
Easter Sunday.
and
April Fool's.
yes.
Oh, it's April Fool's.
Yep.
Wow.
I know.
Wait, go through?
Need you to read the directions on the... can you do it? Can we do it? You can. Are you doing it right?
No. So we actually arrived yesterday, and yesterday was a pretty boring day, so I decided not to vlog. It was pretty much just waking up early and driving the whole day, and then when we got here last night, we pretty much had dinner and then went to sleep. So I didn't film anything yesterday.
What?
But today, I am, and for the rest of the trip. So we are up here for about 5 days, 6 days?
We should be home Friday night, which would be 6 days, 7 days?
6 days. Whoop, whoop.
Yeah.
So welcome to the journey. So today we are going to be dyeing eggs for Easter, right?
Oh, wonderful!
Right?
I'm just excited.
Snaps.
First time for me for a long time.
For a long time.
Yeah.
It's been a long time for me too.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you're going to be the instructor. You're going to start.
All right.
We're making a base color before we color. Excuse me. And this is what they should turn out to be like.
Should.
That's
So what color are you using for your base?
yellow. The
Yellow.
Canary yellow, actually.
Canary yellow.
Canary yellow.
Now, tell me about these eggs right here.
These are eggs.
Yes.
Those were done with blue and purple, and they are, what is that called?
Galaxy, I believe.
Galaxy eggs, aren't they gorgeous?
So how are you going to get the stars and things of those nature onto them?
Well, we have little stickers. We have all different kinds of little stickers, Milky Ways and stars and other things in the galaxy. We're going to put on the eggs when they're done.
Very, very nice.
Yes. This recipe was on the internet, and this is brand new from what I understand. Step one is to put all this wonderful shaving
cream
soap in the dish, and we're going to use it all because we don't have that much. And then I have to spread it so it goes. It's still coming out here. There's more in here than I thought. Okay, let's see. Here we go. That's a little disgusting, I think. And maybe we will.
So just a couple dots,
There's
right?
red.
Don't want to overpower it.
No, I have to put the covers back on. And we're going to go blue here. These are going to be multi-colors. Oh gosh. There. Okay, and a blue. And then, after we're done putting the colors in, we are going to stir it.
So
this is Mason. He's going to stir crazy.
what?
Yeah, stir everywhere.
I'm just going to try and get like a nice little tie-dye pattern going here.
Okay.
I think that should be good. Look at how cool that looks on the stick.
It does.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, very cool. Okay, should we try an egg?
Let's try it out.
Okay, I'm going to let you go ahead and do that.
Oh, I'm going to do it?
Sure.
Okay, let me put a glove on.
You can get it here. It's a fresh one. Putting the egg in there. This is supposed to have a sheen to it. And then wherever you want to put
So
that.
they showed it with a paper towel, and you just set them all on.
Newspaper is fine.
Newspaper?
Yeah, newspaper is
Alright,
fine. It's dyeing the egg.
Yes, the eggs are being
Shell.
dyed by the food coloring, obviously, and the whipped cream was just kind of a way to tie-dye all the colors together. So, obviously, they're caked in whipped cream, but as soon as they're finished drying, we wipe off all the whipped cream, and it should be a tie-dye coloring, right?
It's gonna be fun. Oh, and this is the way I'm gonna do them from now on, if they turn out good. That is supposed to be shiny when it's all done.
Yeah. So we finished the eggs, made this nice little centerpiece out of it. Grandma's over here cooking up, eating and cooking up. She's eating her cannoli.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Look at that thing. And then I was just about to start a game of Fortnite when I realized something that her Echo can do. Alexa, where should I drop in Fortnite?
I've heard that landing just east of Junk Junction can give you a quiet and loot-filled start to the game.
What? 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 She is awesome. I'm honestly gonna get a dot for my room.
Oh, funny.
What? What? I just got out of the shower. My dad made me a sandwich. A sandwich.
Spoiled.
I am spoiled.
I just think the old highway and that truck goes right along the shore.
Jesus. You are scaring me with
It's
that.
his day today. Jesus' day today.
It is his day. Back on that Fortnite grind. I don't usually play PC, I usually play Xbox. Can add me. It's right there. It's right there. You can add me, fam. Yeah, it's my sister's account name, so like, don't judge me, please. Dad? Are you naked?
No, just got my pants down.
So, can we like do something? Kind of
let's
bored.
go down by the water.
By the water?
Yeah.
Isn't it Lake Superior, Dad?
Yes.
Ooh.
35 north.
They got a Red Lobster down here. NBC 6 now.
I understand. This is the Apostle Islands. This is where I want to go kayaking with you.
What's out there?
All these amazing rock formations, caverns, and you can canoe in through here. I really want to do that. I think you get some amazing video and pictures.
Let's do it. So this is a giant ship.
Right here, they actually show me these chutes.
Oh, this is one of the chutes?
The grains would come. This would dump right from here into the boat.
Into the boat. That's so cool.
Nor'easter going up for 24 hours.
Dad, this thing is creepy. Like, I feel like this is the kind of thing that would come alive at night.
I agree. It is.
Dad,
What?
look at these old headphones.
Oh, the original beat. The original beat.
My man's really got oven mitts on right now.
Cooking under the sea, baby. Cooking under the sea.
What's up, Dad? We are the ancient sons of metal. That was
cannot
destroy the metal, but the metal have its way. Hi, Grandma. We're back. We're back. Kayla's on FaceTime with Dad. She's in Europe right now. Kayla, say hi to the vlog.
You're on the blog, I guess.
You want to tell them where you're at?
Hold on, there's Grandma.
I'm in a whole nother country. Hi, Grandma!
Hi, sweetheart.
You're breaking up a little bit. There we go.
Oh, you look so good. I want to touch your cheek.
I'm looking for you.
6.5 hours later.
You're all here now. The fam's all here.
We all arrived.
I forgot to film it, but we had our Easter meal. And we caught up on family events.
Yep.
Funny stories.
Funny
This is
stories.
how we colored Easter eggs this morning, too.
Oh yeah, we colored Easter eggs. And yeah, now we're watching my YouTube channel. Oh God!
Gravy boat, yum yum gravy boat, yum. Give me one of them chips, Sally.
Hey, Nathan.
Chop, ruh, ruh. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You're such a nut. Oh my God. All right.
What's up, man? Yo,
How you been,
what's
man?
up? What's up? What's
How
up?
you
What's
been?
up?
I finally made it out the cabin.
Yo, baby, was you incarcerated, baby? You doing time?
I was doing time.
Shit, brother, me too, man.
Stop.
I got a sick
Bye,
pack, baby, behind this
You guys are heading out.
I have to keep it
Love you
protected.
too.
Say bye.
I love that. I got a six
Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye, everyone. Thank you for coming.
Bye. I'm glad you got to see me, Mason.
How much you want for that?
So it is Easter, everything is closed tonight, so we decided we're not going to do anything and we're just going to stay in. So I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. Like and subscribe if you liked it, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the next one. Peace.
Yeah.